If you're in your teens or early 20s and want to set yourself up for financial success, here are 7 key principles to follow. 1. Be a pawn before a king. Success doesn't happen overnight, no matter what social media portrays. Respect the process, start from the bottom, and work your way up. Every great leader was once a learner. Embrace the grind and earn your stripes. 2. Dress to elevate. First impressions matter, especially in business. Dress in a way that commands respect. Classic, timeless, and professional. Avoid overly trendy or casual attire that might make people underestimate you because of your age. 3. Stay grounded with humbling experiences. Engage in activities that challenge you, whether it's combat sports, entrepreneurship, or any pursuit that pushes your limits. These experiences keep you humble and resilient, preventing arrogance from creeping in when you start achieving success. 4. Avoid casual dating. Your formative years are crucial for building your future. Instead of casual relationships that can be distractions, focus on serious, meaningful connections or dedicate this time to personal and financial growth. 5. Keep your circle small, but your influence large. Surround yourself with a tight-knit group of loyal, trustworthy friends. However, don't limit your networking. Expand your influence by building valuable connections in your industry and beyond. 6. Understand that success comes with tests. The journey to success isn't just about making money, it's about maintaining and growing it. Challenges will come, and staying humble, adaptable, and disciplined will determine how well you sustain what you've built. 7. Invest early and wisely. The sooner you start investing, the better. Put your money into assets that are hard to liquidate like real estate or gold to prevent reckless spending. The earlier you make smart investments, the greater your financial security will be in the long run. Follow these principles, and you'll be on the right track to long-term success and financial freedom. Subscribe or stay dumb.